At 200 psi, the tank from Metabo HPT offers 25% more pressure than a basic Pancake air compressor. This portable air compressor is ideal for heavy-duty tasks, providing consistent performance for various pneumatic tools. Delivering 4 CFM at 90 psi, this 6-gallon tank air compressor provides 30% more airflow, allowing multiple large body nailers to run simultaneously. The air compressor tank ensures your crew stays productive on the job. This portable air compressor can simultaneously run 2 framing nailers, 2 roofing nailers, 2 siding nailers, 3 finish nailers, or 5 brad nailers. Consistently drives nails flush with no delay, boosting productivity across tasks. Weighing only 41 lbs, this Pancake air compressor is 22% lighter than traditional twin stack models. The 6-gallon air compressor is easy to transport and perfect for professional-grade nailing across multiple applications. This portable Pancake air compressor is ideal for heavy-duty tasks across various applications. Whether you're framing, siding, finishing, brad nailing, or roofing, the tank provides reliable performance on the job site. Designed with efficiency in mind, it ensures you can tackle demanding projects with confidence and consistency.